This is a Campstar. It's on a Mercedes V-Class and it costs 72,000 euros. The camping part consists of a tent in the roof and some extensions here to the chairs which sort of make it possible to lie down. Outside, well, let's go around and have a look at why it's outside. I'll have to start off at the back. That's what it looks like in the back. You've got a bit of storage and you can put sort of things in there. That's more you can do with a normal Mercedes because it doesn't have that wardrobe there. Around here we've got this thing called Easy Move Kitchen, and if you ask the stand personnel they will actually show you how it works. Stand personnel won't be available for the video, so I'll show you how it works. You've got this thing here which allows you to lift it up and then sort of turns around into place, and you can do it apparently with one hand. So you can hold one hand on the camera and one hand on that. This is a fridge, and that's a place I think that's meant to be for an electric, although I could be wrong on that one. Oh no, it doesn't. That's for this bit here. This bit here fits in there. So this bit here comes out, consists of two burners and a sink, which is not very wisely shaped for this type of vehicle, in my opinion. You're not going to get not going to wash plates up with something like that. Anyway, we've got a few bit of storage down here. There's your water, and your grey water, green water and grey water, and down here you've got some more storage. But even if the grey water and the other water is full, you can still apparently lift it, according to what I saw in a promotional video for it. If you ask me, this is a complete misunderstanding. If you want to sleep in a Mercedes, then that's fair enough. I don't know how much these Mercedes V-Classes cost without the camping bit attached, but I suspect it's significantly less than 72,000. For 72,000, you can get yourself a proper motorhome. It's got a shower and it's got all sorts of other facilities as well. Mind you, it's not going to be a Mercedes, so it depends what you want. This thing here will fit in your garage, whereas a motorhome won't. You can also park it in the supermarket in one parking space. In the motorhome, you're going to need two. Anyway, so there you have it. The pluses and the cons, but I think the cons outweigh the pluses. That's my opinion, and I'm sure if you ask your dog, the dog will confirm it. Thanks very much for watching, and I did this video in under 3 minutes.